A sad but inspiring story is about to come your way. So sit back and learn as much as you can. As we age, financial stability becomes even more crucial to ensuring a comfortable retirement. Unfortunately, not everyone has been able to secure their finances by the time they hit their golden years. In this video, we'll share the inspiring story of a 71-year-old woman who sought advice from Dave Ramsey on his show. With only $25,000 in cash and no retirement funds, she was struggling to make ends meet. But with some sound financial counsel from Dave Ramsey, she was able to at least find the light to turn her situation around and become cash positive and financially healthy, proving that it's never too late to start securing your future. Welcome back to Financial Flipside, where we help people with their personal finances and tackle everything about finance and financial literacy. To watch related videos and content, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted. On the Dave Ramsey Show, a 71-year-old woman, Janice, called in for financial advice. The caller had $25,000 in cash, but no retirement savings. She also had debt on her houses and cars, with only a monthly income of $2,000 from cleaning homes. She explained that their monthly payments were too high, making it difficult for them to make ends meet with their limited income. Cleaning homes may seem like a simple and straightforward job, but the reality is that it can be physically demanding and emotionally draining. For this 71-year-old woman, earning $2,000 from cleaning homes is not enough to secure her financial future. Her husband had a limited ability to work due to health issues. The woman's husband having a part-time job that only provides occasional income is definitely not an ideal situation for them. It must be hard to budget and plan their finances with such an uncertain source of income. This situation is not uncommon among senior citizens who may have health issues that prevent them from working full-time jobs. What advice did Dave give to the struggling woman that you can apply to yourself? Number 1. Dave advised that they sell off things they don't need, such as their cars, and use the money received to pay off debts. The remaining amount could be used to start a business or put toward other financial goals. This might seem drastic, but it can be an effective way to reduce debt and increase cash flow. Cars are often a significant source of expenses, including monthly payments, insurance costs, and maintenance fees. Selling off one or both cars could free up funds that can be used toward paying off debts or building up savings. Of course, selling a car is not always easy or straightforward. It may take time to find a buyer willing to pay a fair price. However, with some effort and research into local markets for used vehicles, it may be possible to get a good deal. Number 2. Dave's advice emphasizes responsible spending habits that allow for long-term stability rather than short-term relief. By following his recommendations and adapting them into daily routines, anyone can achieve financial success regardless of age or current situation. Hey there! Are you enjoying this video? If so, don't forget to like and share this video. Your subscription to this channel would also be helpful for you to learn more about financial topics. And if you want to learn about similar topics like this one, hit that subscribe button. But now, let's continue the video. Number 3. Ramsey also emphasizes the importance of being intentional about where exactly that money goes. In this case, it should go straight toward paying off outstanding debts rather than just being spent on something else. By putting all available resources into getting out of debt as quickly as possible, individuals can finally achieve true financial freedom and start building a better future for themselves and their families. Being debt-free is one of the most liberating feelings in the world. With no debt holding you down, you have greater control over your finances and can focus on building wealth for a comfortable retirement. Moreover, being without debt means that you are not beholden to anyone else for money. You don't need to worry about high interest rates or making minimum payments. Instead, you can use your income towards savings, investments, and meeting essential needs. With no monthly payments going out toward debts, individuals may also have the opportunity to retire earlier than expected, with peace of mind knowing they could live comfortably without extra income from work. Number 4. When it comes to financial planning, Dave Ramsey advises people to pay off their debts before they start losing the ability to work. This is one of the key pieces of advice that Ramsey gave to the struggling 71-year-old woman. This is a critical piece of financial planning, especially for people who are approaching retirement age or have already retired. He strongly recommended becoming debt-free before losing the ability to work, as it would become more difficult later on. Carrying debt into your golden years can put a significant strain on your finances, particularly if you have a limited income or are unable to work due to health problems. By clearing off any outstanding debts as soon as possible, you can free up more money that can be used toward building your nest egg and securing your future. This may mean making some tough decisions about selling assets or downsizing your lifestyle in order to pay off debt faster. However, it's important to remember that this sacrifice will ultimately lead to greater financial security and peace of mind down the line. It's never too late to take control of your finances and become cash positive. Even if you're in your 70s and have no retirement savings, there are still steps you can take to improve your financial situation. The advice given by Dave Ramsey to the 71-year-old woman on his show provides valuable insights into how anyone can achieve financial stability through smart decision-making and discipline. The key takeaway from this story is that with the right attitude and approach, anyone can be financially healthy regardless of their age or circumstances. By following sound principles like selling off things you don't need, having responsible spending habits, being intentional about where exactly that money goes, and paying off your debts before you start losing the ability to work, any person, regardless of age, can achieve long-term financial success while enjoying life along the way. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video. To be more knowledgeable about financial topics, make sure to subscribe to Financial Flipside and hit the notification bell to get alerted when new videos are posted.